So yeah, let's move on with the news. Got a couple more for you, but first, Baxter, what are you doing? Get over here. Get over here. This dog is crying. Oh yes, yes, Baxter, be a part of the show. Yes, you guys always hear Baxter out there, my little girl. She's gonna be a part of the news right now. So let's go over the next article. What is happening? Oh, so this one's going to be going over actually runes and ordinals. So you know how people are building on Bitcoin's blockchain? Well, this is going to give us a little information about this with this new exchange for it. So yes, this one's coming from the Bitcoinist and Botanics Testnet, the BitPerp, revolutionizing runes trading with advanced perpetual DEXs. So the cryptocurrency world is no stranger to innovation, with new projects constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible among these groundbreaking initiatives. Now, is BitPerp an on-chain perpetual decentralized exchange that positions itself at the forefront of leverage trading for ordinals, runes, and BRC20 assets? Let's see. BitPerp is the first perpetual DEX designed for users seeking leverage exposure to ordinals and related assets, built on the first EVM layer 2 on Bitcoin. The spider chain by Botanics Labs, BitPerp, leverages a sophisticated synthetic architecture to offer unparalleled capital efficiency, reducing trading fees and extensive leverage options. Now, with some pairs also offering up to 100% leverage. Woo, that's crazy. Now, as of March 31st, the open interest PerpDex platform peaked at $1.24 billion per Dune. So there is a momentum in the system. Now, the platform design is user-centric, prioritizing accessibility and efficiency by allowing users to engage with diverse assets through its perpetual products. Now, BitPerp simplifies the trading process while maintaining robust security and control over its funds. This review delves into the emerging Bitcoin ecosystem and BitPerp's intricacies, unique features, and problems it addresses, and also the potential impact on the crypto trading landscape. Now, the current Bitcoin ecosystem. Bitcoin has come a long way since its inception as a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. It has transformed into a robust ecosystem that supports a wide range of applications like non-fungible tokens. Below, you can see a timeline from the advent of Bitcoin to the present day. So yeah, first up, for this to happen, we were given ordinals. So yeah, this was launched in 2023 by Casey Rodomar, and he has transformed individual Satoshis into carriers of unique data, effectively creating non-fungible tokens on the Bitcoin blockchain. Now, this breakthrough extended Bitcoin's utility into digital art and collectibles, attracting a new wave of degens to the platform. Degenerates got me into it. I finally learned how to make runes and ordinals on there. So if you ever need help, book some time with the Sherpa. Now, the introduction of ordinals has sparked significant interest in the Bitcoin community. According to on-chain data from Dune, approximately $460 million in ordinal fees has been collected to date, and the ability to inscribe arbitrary data is nothing short of amazing for Bitcoin. That's so true. Now, as per CoinGecko, 5 of the top ordinal projects by market cap are as of May 24th. Let's see, what are they? Let's see, number 1 is Node Monkeys with a market cap of $10.9 million. Bitcoin Puppets with 10.8. Rune Pups with 5.8, and you cannot see this, Ordinal Maxis, which is 3.4, and Bitcoin Frogs at 1.7. So these are the top ordinal projects out there. Now let's move on to BRC20 tokens. Like, what's the difference with those? Well, BRC20 tokens are Bitcoin's answer to the ERC20 standard on Ethereum. Starting in March of 2023, the transformative digital asset enabled the creation of fungible tokens that can represent commodities or cryptocurrencies. They hold the distinction of being able to extend the functionality of Bitcoin's blockchain beyond just transactions. Now, quickly, BRC20 tokens allowed for creative applications on Bitcoin, which drew in many, resulting in market cap, which as of July 24 has $1.6 billion. And here we can see those BRC20 tokens again, already at 792 sats, Bitcoin Wizard, Leverage, and Pups. And now going further, as Bitcoin's technology actually boomed even more, as we figured out we can do this on there, we were created runes, which is what our crypto tokens are made of for the crypto club. So yeah, if you have a wallet that can hold runes and ordinals and you bought a share of the crypto club, yeah, this is where we're going to get them. But yeah, Bitcoin Runes, another protocol by Casey Rodomar on Bitcoin, allows the creation of fungible tokens, launched in April 2024. Now, the main difference between BRC20 tokens and runes is that runes does not rely on the ordinals protocol and is designed to be simpler and more efficient. Runes launched onto the scene with incredible hype, drawing the attention of many in the industry. Now, according to Cointelegraph, on April 23rd of 2023, Runes claimed the highest transaction shares of 81.3%, pushing Bitcoin transaction shares down to 18.15%, with ordinals and BRC20 transactions at 0.01% each. So yeah, definitely dominated that sector. Now, continuing to 2024, Runes frequently continues to be a large majority of shares and transactions of the Bitcoin ecosystem. And here we can see that transaction happening. Gold, good old Bitcoin, ordinals, BRC20, and Runes. So yeah, Runes definitely took a lot of the transactions versus just standard Bitcoin transactions. Now, as per coin ranking, the top 5 Rune tokens are Dog Goes to the Moon, RSig Genesis Rune, Liquid Token, $1 Billion Cat, and Rooney. Soon we'll be seeing maybe some BBCC crypto clubs on there with the name of it. So yeah, maybe that'd be possible. That'd be pretty cool. And then next up, we're introducing BitPerp. Now, this is new to me, so I'm actually looking forward to learning a little bit more about this. Now, utilizing the tailwinds from these emerging assets, BitPerp positioned itself as the first on-chain perp DEX for Runes, ordinals, and BRC20 tokens, building on the Botanics Labs L2 and a handpicked as a strategic partner. Now, using a synthetic model, the BitPerp is able to facilitate a wide range of these emerging assets, as well as onboard any new asset and new classes with leverage gaming, AI, etc., making them the first movers on any hot narrative compared to competitors. Now, this provides them a unique advantage as BitPerp can provide solutions in a turbulent industry where new technology and infrastructures is being released in the community. Now let's address the core challenges in the market right now with it. One of the primary motivations behind BitPerp's development is addressing the inherent challenges in the ordinals and inscriptions market. These challenges include high transaction costs, user experience, complexities, and liquidity issues. Now, I haven't really experienced that with this yet, so maybe it was already solved. High transaction costs. Minting and transferring inscriptions or trading ordinals can be prohibitively expensive due to the network fees, especially during periods of high congestion. Let's see. For me to make these tokens, I was able to create at least like 100,000 of them for, I guess, $70 like too hard. Some were 90. I think one of the tokens I made cost like 120. But then once I minted it, that was just to create it, inscribe it, etch it on there. But then once I minted it, it only cost about $1.80. And then to send them to like my partner's wallet out there so she can distribute the tokens, like only cost $1 as well. So I don't know what they're saying about these high costs, but I do get it that it could be high when Bitcoin's congestive network is very congested. And that's why we usually see Ethereum gas fees really high too. So, but this is why BitPerp created that. That was just one of the issues. They also wanted user experience complexities. Interacting with ordinals involves dealing directly with the Bitcoin network, often nascent and particularly developed platforms, and the lack of standardized quality and user interface makes the trading process cumbersome and inaccessible. And then there's also liquidity challenges. Many existing platforms supporting the trading of inscriptions and ordinals suffer poor liquidity, making it difficult for traders to execute trades at desired prices or within reasonable timeframes. This lack of liquidity undermines the efficiency of the market and deters potential traders. Now, BitPerp addresses these issues by offering synthetic spot and perpetual products by bypassing the traditional liquidity build-upon process. Now, by tracking the prices of BRC20 tokens and runes and ordinals, BitPerp provides a streamlined and efficient trading experience that mitigates the high cost and complexities associated with the direct blockchain interaction. Now, again, here are just some, I'm not going to go through it, but here are just some of the key features. You get the synthetic model, high leverage options, user control, security, power protected contract, and BTP tokens. Now, what are the future plans for the ecosystem? Quarter 3, 2024, launch of incentivized testnets and trading competition on Botanics testnet following the mainnet launch. Quarter 4, we'll see the expansion of additional BTC layer 2s and introductions to liquidate and to earn. Liquidate to earn, interesting. Then quarter 1 of 2025, and there'll be NFT trading on the platform for ordinals. And quarter 2, launching dedicated tools services to enhance the trading experience. Now, Bitcoin's drip campaign early access to the BTP tokens. In an innovative move to engage earlier supporters and generate funding, BitPerp has launched a drip campaign in partnership with Drip Finance. This campaign offers users an exclusive opportunity to earn BTP tokens ahead of the token generative event and to before the wider public. So yeah, we got launching pools, year generation, dual rewards, stretch goals, and security. And then is there a BitPerp trading competition igniting the Botanics testnet? Let's see. To mark the launch of the BitPerp Botanic testnet, we're thrilled to announce an upcoming trading competition. And this event is not just a competition, but incentive to the testnet experience. Okay, so they want you to try them out, figure out if there's any bugs at all so I can fix it for the main launch. And yeah, so that's going to be happening when? Competition shares multiple purposes. I just want to find a date for this. There's no date for when it's going to happen, but it just says stay tuned to our official channels for more details on the competition structure and its eligibility and how to participate. So don't miss out on the chance to be a part of that journey. But yeah, so that's that news for you on botanics, but hopefully you guys learned a little bit more about the Bitcoin ordinals, runes, and just a tiny bit of information on there. And yeah, if you ever want to like look up like the tokens, like what was I using here? Let me go to my page. Let's see, I was going to Bitcoin ordinals, and I was using Unisat, but you can also use ordi.io. But you can check out some coins here. I really don't need to search that, but let's search for, let's see, I want to look for runes. Okay, let's go to Scribes, runes. I'll show you the Baxter token, like one of my tester ones before I made. Let's see, we want all Baxter Sarasota. So the dog you just saw, boom, Baxter is officially on the Bitcoin blockchain. She is forever permanently on there. I will always remember her. So this is kind of a huge moment. I made 1,000 of them. So I also have 90,000 in my wallet. I sent Heidi 10,000. I want to send the Nashville people probably 10. And who knows, maybe I'll list the other 80,000. If you guys want to buy it, you can get it here on the Unisat website. But yeah, so that's that news for you on the BitSpark news. That's pretty cool. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that one. And